Yo.
Hi.
Hello. I'm Danny.
I'm Stephanie.
I'm
Juliet. Juliet.
And we're awesome.
Or than you.
Than them, not, you know. Okay. Don't even think about it. Ooh, watch this, watch this.
No!
Catch me. Okay, she'll catch me this time. Ow! That really hurts.
Don't attempt this at home! This is my craziest laugh.
She's a little weird. Her parents dropped her multiple times on her head when she was younger.
You should meet my cousin Michelle.
Burn!
Juliet's a dancer. Ask her to dance.
That's okay.
Dance! They said dance!
I'm a lacrosse player and she's scared of birds.
Yeah,
It's true.
an event happened when she was younger. Yeah, and they're weird.
Like you. I love you.
I love you too.
Oh my god!
We're like a family. Like we're like triplets.
Except we look nothing alike.
Catch me!
Drop her on 3.
Okay, bye.